This is a silicone case for the Gopro Hero 8 mounted on a Scorpion carbon helmet. This is an original thick silicone case for the Gopro Hero 8 with an adjustable lanyard. The LED, the microphone and the screen cutouts fit perfectly with the GoPro. The sponge case works as a winch layer. The silicone case needs additional dead cats. The case protects the GoPro from scratches and impacts. It did not stretch out even after several mount and demounts. The J-hook sometimes breaks, so it needs additional safety to not lose the GoPro. Put the helmet on a sponge to avoid scratching and clean its surface with alcohol. Heat the M3 sticker with a hairdryer so it sticks more. In a few hours it will stick very strongly. Don't buy bad quality and cheap J-hooks. The case is available in multiple colors. Other companies make it too, and there are also no-brand cases which are very similar. Some are very good, some are very bad quality.